Hello mga madi! Sa sobrang init na nga ng panahon ngayon, kailangan talaga natin na merong protection sa init ng araw. Buti na lang talaga at nag-restock na itong paborito kong sun care stick from Hello Glow. Ito kasi talaga yung on the go na sunscreen stick ko. Syempre, as a mom of 3, kailangan ko kasi talaga ng skincare na yung pangmadalian, no hassle. And at the same time na kahit pangmadalian na skincare, nakukuha ko talaga yung protection. Kaya this sunscreen stick really matches my lifestyle. Meron na itong SPF 60 plus PA++ na talagang SPF tested ito. The highest SPF rating in the local market, plus it has 4 sunscreen filters. Smooth lang ito i-apply sa skin at walang tugging. Satin finish ito but very moisturizing. And if you're a working mom or nagwo-wear ka ng makeup on a daily basis, perfect ito kasi this will also serve as a primer. I-glide mo lang siya onto your skin in 4 passes para siguradong makover niya talaga. And this one talaga is walang ka white cast. It's very lightweight and non-sticky. And hindi talaga siya nakaka-oily ng face. Tapos nakakatulong pa to para ma-blur out yung pores. Hindi lang ito yung ordinary mong sunscreen stick dahil itong sunscreen stick na to is meron din siya mga skin-loving ingredients. And it's very compact pa kaya pwede mo siyang madala anywhere for reapplication and it's not messy. Kaya perfect talaga tong sunscreen stick na to para sa mga super nanays dyan.